Hi everyone, this talk presents the paper Self-Adaptive Control Parameters Randomization Frequency and Propagations in Differential Evolution. Performance impact of the randomization frequency mechanism to an algorithm for optimization that is utilized in this study is shown, and different values of the randomization frequency are suggested. To randomize the scaling factor f, frequency of 0.1 to 0.8 is suggested, and to randomize the crossover factor CR, values from 0.1 to 0.25 are suggested. The self-adaptive control parameters mechanism is utilized within several differential evolution algorithms, and always there is 0.1 value used for the randomization frequency, so we wanted to see how the performance of the algorithm changes when we change this value, and we have observed, like as can be seen on this figure, that the algorithm significantly differs in its behavior when changing this value. The self-adaptive control parameters mechanism was introduced in differential evolution algorithm initially in 2006 and works as follows. First, we changed the values of f and cr based on randomization frequency. This is seen as adaptation of control parameters. Then later on, if the changed control parameters vector is improved, its control parameters values are propagated. This is seen as self-adaptation of control parameters. Our parameter study is based mostly on the papers as seen on the left. We take a systematic approach to answering questions about the observed control parameters mechanism. After detecting interesting functions to observe, we show deeper insight to the workings of the mechanism and its influence to the performance and behavior of the DE algorithm. We have tested more than 2,000 different configurations of the algorithm at full CEC 2013 benchmark, each on 51 independent runs. We have also shown that different randomization frequencies are suitable for different optimization functions, even differing for F and CR randomization frequencies. We also ranked our configuration against the competing algorithms. When comparing to the competing algorithms from CEC 2013, we have shown that for different configurations of our algorithm, we were able to obtain best or worst ranks. This showed the sensitivity of the control parameters mechanism settings. Specifically, on unimodal functions, we were able to find a configuration outperforming all other compared algorithms that have entered this competition. Later on, when observing when and how this mechanism is applied within the algorithm, we were able to observe different number of significant improvements within the algorithm, and we were able to see that combining different values of randomization frequency, improvements interact with each other, and they also occur surprisingly different for F and CR. Using different randomization frequencies, we were able to show that we can obtain configurations that outperform other configurations of the algorithm, and also we were able to show certain behavioral aspects of this control parameters randomization frequency control mechanism. As next steps and future work, we see deeper social interaction graphs. Also, we hope to improve other applications of this mechanism on a large scale. We also hope to see other control parameter studies done in a similar manner. We hope to make path for similar large-scale empirical studies into behavior and performance for optimization mechanisms, especially when seen on whole benchmark sets, such as the CEC functions. The data sets of the paper are available on the listed URL and through email correspondence. Thank you for listening.